What's up, traders? Welcome back to Forex Live. I know it's been a while. It's been a couple of months actually, but I've been taking a break from YouTube because I've been focusing on my own personal trading journey. I've been diving into prop firms, so there's a lot that I need to a lot of information I need to give you guys that we need to catch up on everything that I've learned over the past couple of months. Um, but this video is basically just to let you guys know that I'm here, that I'm back. Also, that I will be dropping boom and crash strategies for you guys. I know that is your main focus. And if you want to move over to Forex as well, feel free to do so. I'm here for that as well. I'll be dropping as much information as possible. I just want you guys to go ahead and leave it in the comments below. What is it that you're looking for? What have you missed with me not being here for the past couple of months? What's new? Anything that I need to touch on for you guys? Go ahead and just drop it in the comments below. Also, I did open up a brand new Telegram group, so I'll leave the link below as well as my WhatsApp number where you guys can message me directly and ask me any questions, anything you'd like to know. Remember, for boom and crash, I am still, for 3 years, I'm still using my Viper Spike system, and it's been doing amazing. I still trade with it. I can just show you guys here real quickly. If this is your first time on the channel, also remember, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down below. My first video I've posted in a couple of months, so let's get this video boosted. Let's get it boosted on the recommendation videos, all of those things, so more traders can join and more of you can join the new Telegram group, and we can make this a success because we have so much planned for you guys. I've partnered up with Nemesis FX as well. We've just collaborated, so new things are being dropped in the group. I need you guys to join me so you can keep up to date with what is happening. And of course, like I said, anything that you guys want me to touch on or make a video about, just go ahead, drop it in the comments or WhatsApp me, and we'll have a look into that. But as always, we are using the Viper Spike system, still doing wonders, still trading every single day. All you guys need to do with the system, as explained previously, once you get a dot, that is your first entry. So this is boom. Let's just take it back. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Nicole. I'm a Forex trader. I've been trading for 5 years. I trade Forex pairs, USD and gold, and I also trade synthetics, which is boom and crash, and volatility pairs. Okay, so this is the system that I created about 3 years ago. You can check on my previous videos the date that I actually launched this. I think it was about 3 years ago. I've been in the industry for a while. I've had a community. Things got hacked, everything got hacked, and I've been away for a while, but I am back now, and this is still the same system. I'm not one of those traders that go ahead and release something new every single week. Okay, every week there's a new system, a new indicator, new this and new that. I'm not one of those. I stick to my systems, I trade my systems, and it has been working for me, as you guys know. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the system real quickly on boom and crash. Feel free to message me if you are interested in it. We do have a rental option, so you can go ahead and rent it for 1 month's access, or you can purchase it for lifetime. So 1 month is $49, $50 basically, $49 for 1 month rental, and lifetime is $400 a once-off payment. So you can decide which option suits you best. In the meantime, you can go ahead and join the free Telegram group as well. Free signals will be dropped there daily, 2 free signals, and this is with a brand new spike detector from Nemesis FX that has collaborated with Forex Live. He's promoting it in the group, and you guys can go ahead and have a look at that one as well if you feel that one is a better fit for you. And we do have our signals open up again for you guys. So this is the system, the rules of the system, right? On boom, we are looking for green. Everything needs to be green. Green means good, we want to buy. So over here we can see that this trend direction is green. That's our first confirmation. and in our indicator window 1 we can see that the trend direction is green as well. That's our second confirmation in order to take the trade. The third confirmation is this moving average over here. This is a 200 moving average. If price is above this moving average, we want to go ahead and take the trade. Now we have riskier traders that just takes trade whenever the system gives a signal. It's completely up to you how you trade. I'm not here to judge. Each trader is different, so you can use the system whichever way you want as long as you are making money and you're profitable with it. But the rules of the system that I've created, you need a green trend direction on your main chart, you need a green trend direction on indicator window 1 over here, and price needs to be above this 200 moving average. That is your 3 confirmations to take the trade. Your first entry, when this dot appears, remember this is 100% non-repaint, so the dot won't pop up and disappear. Once the dot pops up, it stays there. So that is your first entry. You enter the trade, it spikes, so that's our first spike that we have over here. Once it spikes, you hold for 3 to 5 candles. If it doesn't spike again, you close. I personally hold 3 candles. So if it doesn't spike again in 3 candles, I close. But here we can see we got another spike. 3 candles, we close. That's profit. Now we wait. We're literally doing nothing. We're not doing any analysis. We're not doing nothing. We are just using the system and looking at what the system is telling us. So here we got a dot. That is our first entry. The arrow over here. This arrow indicates a second entry. Okay, so this is where you will go ahead and you will add a second entry, and this is on Boom 600. Add a second entry and spike. Hold for 3 candles, close. You don't need to hold for 3 candles. You can go ahead and close your trade. It's completely up to you. You can hold 3 to 5 candles, or you can close your trade immediately after the spike. Here we got another signal, which is our dot, our first entry. We enter, spike, 3 candles, spike. 4 candles, spike, spike, 3, spike, 2, spike, 2, 2. So you have caught this entire movement. From this first entry all the way up, you have caught this entire movement if you're holding for 5 candles after the spike. And that is massive profits. And then a signal for your first entry, which is a dot spike, 5 candles, close. First entry, second entry, we hold it, it spikes, 5 candles, close. So we have closed here at break even. So remember, there's 2 ways to take your profit. The first way to take your profit is immediately after a spike. That's up to you. If you just want to be in and out of the market, just want to catch a spike and go, that's your choice. You take it. The second way is you can hold 3 to 5 candles. 5 candles will give you more opportunity for a second spike to happen. So I would personally say hold 5 candles after the spike. If the spike does not happen, you go ahead and you close your trade. Whether you are at break even or you are in profits, you go ahead and you close that trade. And then the 3 confirmations to take the trade. Remember, for Boom, we are looking, everything needs to be green. Okay, so we need a green trend direction on the main chart. That's our first confirmation. Our second confirmation, we need a green trend direction on indicator window 1 over here at the bottom. And then our third confirmation, we need price to be above this 200 moving average. And then we'll go ahead and we will catch all of these spikes. Now you're probably wondering, now when do we actually go ahead and close a trade? Like if it's in drawdown, what do we do? So I'm going to show you guys over here for an example. Right over here. So we in this trade, it spiked 3 candles, it spiked 5 candles, close. We entered again here because we're above the moving average. Right, we entered, spike, spike, profits. Here again, profits, 5 candles, close. Here we are below the moving average. So what are we doing? We are not taking the trade, even though it's green over here and it's green over here. We are not taking this trade. This trade as well. Here, our first entry is above the moving average. So we're going to go ahead and take this trade. because all three confirmations are met on this trade. We have a green trend direction on our main chart, we have a green trend direction on indicator window 1, and price is above the 200 moving average. So we enter our first position on that dot, and we enter our second position on the arrow. Now what happens? Our trend direction is changing red. This is where risk management comes in, that is built into the system. Okay, so once we see a red trend changing, so we have green on boom and it's changing to red, we immediately know that there's a possibility that the market might be reversing. The system is indicating this to us. So all we need to go ahead and do is we need to hold for 5 to 7 candles. I personally hold 7 candles. So 7 candles, okay, in the red zone. So once it changes red, so we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we go ahead and we close our trade. So that would have been our loss. From the first entry to 7 candles in the red, that will be our loss. And it's manageable because risk management is in place over here. You're not going to hold, because what most traders do, they are so confident to hold on to the losing trades, but they don't hold on to the winning trades. And they hold on to hope, they don't hold on to knowledge or something that the system is actually showing you to tell you, you know what, take the loss, it's okay. You need to preserve your account, save your account. That is the most important thing in trading. You need to save your capital in order to make more money. Okay, so there we took a loss. So we're not taking trades over here, but then look what happens. We win 1, 2, 3, and this entire movement we win because we're holding with 5 candles after each spike. So that entire movement, so that's 3 wins. We took a loss there, and that's okay. We already recovered. You see what I mean? Here again, it's spike, 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 spike. That's profits. And then here what happens? We go ahead and we close 7 candles in the red zone. In the red zone, we close 7 candles and we take that loss. And then what happens? We recover again, we take those wins, and here we take a loss. So that's 3 losses and about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 wins and 3 losses. Just in 2 hours. In 2 hours, and you have the entire day to trade, the entire day to make more money. So that is the system that I've been using for the past 3 years, and on Crash it's just the opposite. So let's see, here we go, Crash 300 currently, Crash 500, so here's Crash 500. Let's have a look. So currently it's red. Okay, that is what we wait for on Crash. We don't trade in the green zone, we trade in the red zone. Same confirmations. On your main chart, you want a red trend direction. So this red area over here, we want that to be red. Our second confirmation, we want it to be red in indicator window 1 over here. And then our third confirmation, we want it to be below the 200 moving average. So we're not going to take any trades over here. We're going to wait till price breaks this 200 moving average, confirming that it is in a downtrend, and then we'll go ahead and take the trades. Once it changes green, we then exit the trade, 7 candles in the green zone. So we can have a look at a few examples here real quickly. So this is Crash 500 on an uptrend. We don't trade the green zone, that is an uptrend that is made for boom bears. So on Crash bears, we're only trading in the red zone. So let's just go ahead and have a look. So it's an uptrend, we're not trading there. Over here we are trading, we're taking this trade. Why? Because our first confirmation is met, the trend direction is red on the main chart. Second confirmation is met, trend direction is red on the second chart, on the indicator window 1 chart. And our third confirmation, we are below the 200 moving average. So what do? That's our first entry on the dot, the second entry on the arrow, and we spike into profits. We hold for 5 candles, so that's 1, it spikes again. We hold again for 5 candles, that's 2 candles, and it spikes us into deeper profits. And then we hold for 5 candles and we close. And in this scenario over here, this is where we will close in 7 candles in the green zone. So that dot will be our first entry. We won't take a second entry because it's already changed green. The trend direction already changed green. We're not taking a second entry over there. We're just holding for 7 candles, no spike, and we close. And we can see here, so once we cross below the 200 moving average, our trend direction is red, indicator window 1 is red. We go ahead, we enter the trade, and we just cash in all of these profits, and we make this loss over here, which is okay because we go ahead and we recover. We don't take this trade, that's in the green zone, and that is a loss that we make there. We don't take those trades, it's in the green zone, but over here we go ahead and we make those profits. So it's as easy as that, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will be coming up with more strategies for you guys, but this is my main go-to to trade boom and crash. It has a 95% win rate if you follow the rules exactly like I explained in this video. And if you guys would like a copy of the system, the link to my free Telegram group is linked below in the description. Make sure that you join that. My WhatsApp number is there as well, my personal WhatsApp number. You guys can message me personally, you can video call me before payment to make sure that it is me, because I have been hacked before. My old Telegram group has been hacked and people are doing investments and using my name. My TikTok has been hacked. I have a brand new TikTok. Everything has been hacked. I'm just coming back for you guys. Everything is new. I'm here to show you guys that I haven't left. I've been away for a couple of months, but I'm back a lot. I've been receiving a lot of DMs from you guys, so I'm here to help you guys out, and we can go ahead and just move forward for this year, continuing year. And like I said, we have collaborated with Nemesis FX as well, so there's a few things dropping there as well, indicators and EAs that is dropping there in the Telegram group if you guys are interested in that. And of course the signals has started yesterday, it will be run by Nemesis FX. So yeah, that's it for you guys. Remember, if this is your first time on the video, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down below. Let's boost the algorithm to push this video out. And remember to drop down in the comments below what you would like me to do a video on next. Remember, I'm here to cover everything, not just boom and crash. I'm here to do forex, crypto, stocks, anything that you guys are struggling. This will be the brand new channel in order for us to go ahead and move forward as traders. We're not just going to group us into one specific trading criteria. We are going to be diverse, and we're going to open up this channel to any and everybody. So I hope to see you guys on the next video.